What's going on, guys? Camstick TV here. Going to be working on a 2011 Chevy Express. This goes from 2003 all the way to 2023 to 2500. Going to be replacing the hitch that I have on here because, as you can tell, someone jerry-rigged it and welded a sleeve inside of it, making a 2-inch hitch useless, and it doesn't even look like it's a 10,000-pound hitch. So I ended up upgrading with a curt with a 10,000-pound class 3 hitch. So basically what we're going to be doing is removing this, cleaning it all up, and unbolting it. So as you can tell, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and then this will drop down. But the first thing is to get all the wiring and stuff out of the way so we can clean it up and make it look a lot nicer and reinstall. And hopefully all these work, because that right there and that right there does not meet my standards. Like, that's not good. All right, with no further ado, you're gonna need a 1/2-inch impact, 1/2-inch socket set, and it looks like we're gonna probably be needing a 21mm socket wrench. Safety first. Once you start seeing your blade looking like that, replace it ASAP. That will shred and hit you in your face.